Hey guys, it's Anna here and welcome back to my channel. Man, this video is probably one that is like, I don't know, the latest upload ever. Because I'm about to unbox the April Simply Gilded box and it is currently September when I'm filming this, and so there's a story behind. I'm gonna try to be really quick about it, but basically my box was lost in the mail. It never reached me initially, and then after like a couple months it came back to the Simply Gilded facility. You know, I contacted them about it, and well, let me just tell you, the Simply Gilded customer service is amazing. Patty, who manages, I think, most of the customer service, so kind, so helpful, and I mean, she helped me out with everything, and everything just worked out so well, and I'm just so grateful to them for, you know, being so helpful, so that I actually now finally have the box in my hands. So it did arrive to me like a week or two ago, but I've been sick, so I haven't been able to film. I don't know, you can kind of hear in my voice still a little, this cold is hanging in there. It doesn't want to get rid of itself, but I'm well enough now to at least film. So either way, this is a gorgeous box, and it has really like calm, serene colors, and as you can see, it's called Natural Beauty. It is a silver foil theme box, and there's lots of beautiful kind of more muted kind of pastel-y colors, I would say. Lots of this kind of muted pink, as well as this kind of robin's egg blue a little bit, but it's more of a grayish tone. Let's get into it. Alrighty, so here we go. I guess I'm gonna do it this way. So finally, oh, here we go. Yes, also the mystery item is to be revealed, but then again, you know, it's been many months since this came out, so if you have the box, if you are subscribed, you most likely have already received everything, so it's not really a mystery to anybody but me, because I'm probably the last one in the world to get this box. Either way, I'm not gonna look at this one in detail. I like to kind of explore everything on my own. So we have the notebook. It has this beautiful robin's egg blue color, and it has, is it like a robin bird maybe? I'm not very good at bird species or different kinds of birds, I guess, in English. I know what this is probably, I'll probably figure it out sometime in this video, but it's gorgeous, super simple, and it is the basic dot grid that we usually see in Simply Gilded B6 notebooks. But yeah, super pretty. And next up here, there's a sticker kit. I mean, the sticker kit. There's always a sticker kit. My bad. This is quite a special, has kind of a matte silver foiling. Do you see that? Kind of a matte foiling a little bit. That's cool. So we have beautiful full boxes of florals. Here's a leopard. And then we have deco, you know, checklists, more gorgeous full boxes, and some icons as usual. And here's the second sheet of that. More, you know, day covers. I love that we get 3 sets these days. And we have some more. I love this one, Wild and Free. More beautiful. Oh look! There's like a little leopard family. It's maybe like the daddy and the mommy. And do you see there's like a little cub? That's so cute. And we have some checklists and some bows. I love this. This could be really functional, this whole section here with the checklist and the bows. And then we have some, you know, more headers with some text. And some, you know, decorative ones. Together with the sticker kit, as usual, these days, we also get a sheet of, these are leopard print too. And these are the icon sheet. This pattern is really busy, so it's quite difficult to see the icons. This I like this one where it's a color that matches, but it's kind of solid, so that you can really see actually, you know, the practical side of things, which I like. So we have day covers and more icons. And then we have the half mini sheet that also comes. I love that we get so many half boxes. I hope that Irene somehow can add more somehow in future, maybe revamps of the sticker kits. And some teeny tiny deco. Look how tiny that is, with little roses and animals. So cute. And another full box. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And of course we get bow seals in, you know, the matching prints and designs and colors. Super pretty. Next up we have specialty papers, I believe. Ooh! I think there's 3 in here. Ooh, usually there's just 2. So we have an acetate that is silver foiled. This is a folded B6 size. Ooh, this would actually look beautiful to have with the insert. Look at that. Beautiful. It goes so well together. So this is a beautiful one. I feel like this one is really versatile. You could use it in a bunch of other setups. Doesn't have to be together with any of these if you don't want to. Then we have a solid leopard one. I've never been like a leopard print person. I don't know why. I mean, it's not that I dislike it. It's just it doesn't speak to me as much as, I guess, other type of patterns. The next one speaks to me a lot more, which is a floral pattern. This is soft, beautiful florals. Oh, it's the same as the box, as you can see. And it also has some silver foiling. There's little bows and little sparkles and super cute. This one could also easily be used in any like setup or project that these colors go with. And they're so soft and pretty and I love them. So what's next? Oh yes! Oh, I've been looking forward to this one. So this is something I'm always excited about when it's added. And it's not every month. I wish there was like a monthly sticky note. But it's not. Irene does rotate between these, and it has kind of fallen off on the pad. But it is vellum sticky notes, and I mean, I love vellum sticky notes. They're kind of see-through, and I kind of, every time we get these, I kind of throw them right into my Bible journaling like pen case, because I do tend to use the vellum, you know, sticky notes for different Bible notes, just because I like when I put them in a page in my Bible, I do like that I can kind of read through it, so that yeah, it does cover some of the text, but I don't have to necessarily remove the sticky note in order to read what's beneath. And these are probably the biggest vellum ones I own, and the biggest vellum ones that the Simply Gilded box has included. So here you have a lot of writing space. So this is gonna be super, super useful to have, and really functional. And I mean, there's some silver foiled bows at the bottom. The design is beautiful, and it doesn't have to just be for notes. You could use these and be creative in, I mean, any crafty paper, you know, project, really. You know, it could be also for so many things: schoolwork, card making, scrapbooking, journaling, planning, of course. All kinds of things. So these are probably gonna be some of my favorite, one of my favorite items in this particular box. And then there's something here. What is this? Oh yeah! I think this might actually be the mystery item. I'm just gonna check on here real quick. I don't think it says... No, it does say vellum sticky notes. But it doesn't say this, so this is probably the mystery item. That's awesome! So I love that. So we have kind of a set. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to use these together in my Bible. Oh, that's perfect. I love these two. These are also, I don't think they're vellum, but they are some sort of see-through kind of plastic material. Yes. So, well, I don't know if you can tell, but they are kind of plastic and you can see through them a little bit. And that's, I mean, you don't have to, I mean, my favorite thing about them is not necessarily that you can kind of see through them. My favorite thing is that they're plastic, and that means they're super durable. I mean, if you have them peeking out on a page in a book or a notebook or a planner, you know, regular paper tabs, they usually rip. These won't, that won't really happen the same way. They won't really get ruined. Because they're plastic, so a lot more durable. So that's why I love these type of tabs. Super useful, but you do have to use an alcohol-based marker to write on them, like a Sharpie or anything of that kind. Would be perfect, and they're so pretty and cute, and it goes perfect with this. Alrighty, next item is a big one, and I think for many people, probably a favorite item in this box. I love this item, I think it's beautiful. However, I'm never too excited about the TNs, only because I haven't really found a use for them. I've never turned into a TN user. For planning, I love my ring-bound planners. For journaling, well, maybe for creative journaling, but I just haven't gotten into the B6 size. But I mean, the colors, the design is beautiful. I love that we have a pocket. And, ooh, there's like the robin's egg blue and this other more icy blue. That's beautiful that there's even 2 different shades. So many details. And we have this kind of muted pink strings, 4 of them, and a pen loop. And it all goes beautifully together. It's a beautiful design. I love this print, as I already have explained. And there's even a little D-ring here, so you could put a little charm if you want, or anything that you think would be suited to put on there. Maybe one day, I always keep these stuff, because sometimes my lifestyle changes, my, creative process changes. Sometimes I just get new ideas for things, and then I find things in my stash that I've never had a use for before, but then all of a sudden, I find a use for them. So then I'm really happy to have beautiful products like this. But we'll see if I end up using it. Either way, it's a beautiful product and so well designed. Alrighty, so last items are in this plastic bag, which is also gorgeous. And I have actually found a use for these. I've been asking in like every video recently what to use these plastic bags for, and now I've actually found a use that works really well for me, and that is I have a box where I collect scrap paper. So I decided to use these to kind of sort out the different colors, brands, styles. So now I because they're see-through, it's super useful. So one, I could keep like Happy Scrappy scraps, like Simply Gilded scraps, Mommy Lay scraps. Another one could be like Kiki K scraps. Any kind of little scrap papers that are pretty and could be useful in other types of crafty projects. So that's my new use for these, sorting out all of that, which has been really, really useful. And also thanks to everybody who did send their own ideas on how to use them. But that's how I figured out how to use mine, and right now that really works. So I'm happy about that. Alrighty, so we have the pen of the month, which is quite unique actually. It's more of a matte. Well, it is kind of shiny, but also matte. I don't know how to describe it actually. We have the engraved bow as usual. We have the Simply Gilded logo as usual. And I mean, it's in like all silver pen, but it is with a leopard print. I mean, I love these pens as usual. This is the journaling card. It has a super cute little leopard with a bow on it. I do love this card just because it has like the centerpiece on it. I think I've said before, but I do prefer when there's either like a quote or a centerpiece in the journaling cards, because I just think it looks better if you use it as a dashboard or frame them. And this is exactly that style that I love, so this one is super pretty. And then we have the washi. So there's also the add-on, which I'll take last. Oof! Oh man! There's so many pretty ones here. So we have these kind of muted pink ones that goes perfectly with the box. I guess they're kind of a tone-on-tone, because the foiled bows also have like a pink hue to them. We also have a solid leopard one, which I think could be really useful. I mean, even though I'm not a super like leopard person, because it's not foiled, you could easily incorporate it into anything that it's suited for. Then we have one, swallows. Is that a bird? I think I just figured out, I think these birds are swallows. Either way, we have the beautiful print, with the florals, and then we have some silver foil little birds and little bows and little sparkles. Super gorgeous and goes perfectly. And here's the functional washis, the perforated ones. We have, I believe it's a perforated kind of header style washi with little bows. And then we have a task washi that's also perforated. I love the perforated, the functional washi. I just wish that this was a day cover washi, because, I don't know, I don't tend to use these that much, the task ones. But still, they're functional, and I love that Irene keep doing them in almost every box, I would say. And then we have the add-on washi here. These are super pretty. So we have that kind of minty one with hearts this time, and then we have like a mini version with the bows, and yeah, it has the florals, and then we have a sparkles one, and then we have a hearts and vine one, also with the tone on tone, I believe. Super gorgeous. So of course they all look beautiful together. So alrighty guys, so that is the Natural Beauty box from Simply Gilded. It sure is a beauty, this box. So many soft, serene colors. I do love that there's so much mint. I mean, I feel like there's lots of little bits and pieces in here I could easily incorporate into like other boxes, other like planner setups, and just spreads, all kinds of stuff. I feel like the stuff in here could be really versatile for not just to use together, but to incorporate into other things. And that I love. I love when things can be versatile like that. And most of all, I'm just so thankful that this box actually finally made it to me, that I actually have it in my hands. I mean, I've been subscribed to the Simply Gilded box since day one. I have not missed a single box, and even though some of them have been lost in the mail, have been taken forever due to COVID and other things, they eventually, at least all of them, made it to me. So I was so worried that I was gonna miss this box, because yeah, I don't want to miss a single one. They're too beautiful. So I'm so grateful. And once again, massive thanks to the Simply Gilded customer support. Just a recommendation, guys, if you're subscribed or want to get subscribed and you have any issues or concerns, they're so kind and helpful, so I really do recommend reaching out to them. The email, I'll try to remember to insert it right here. Either way, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more of my Simply Gilded unboxings, other unboxings, and planner setups, and you know, see if how I end up using this stuff and similar crafty things, you know, don't miss out to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to, even though you're really dedicated, you can click the bell. That way you really won't miss a thing. Thank you for that if you do, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.